Hi, the Zigbee Alliance is at the Light and Building trade show this week in Frankfurt, Germany. We're visiting all our member companies who have a presence at the show. Today I'm at the BEGA booth talking to Roman. Hi Roman, can you introduce yourself and your role at the company?
Hi, I'm Roman Luig. I'm working for BEGA since the last 6 years and I'm the head of software development team. And especially I'm working on Zigbee products.
Can you tell me a little bit about how you use Zigbee in your products?
Yes, we are using Zigbee since 2012 and only for lighting products, of course, because that's our main business. And we have different products like control engines and of course other products like Zigbee remote controls and stuff like this.
So Zigbee, it's very important for Zigbee to use interoperability in the market. How does that add value to your company?
Yeah, we never want systems which are like a closed shop. So it does not make sense that everything is just from BEGA, like heating engines or something like this. It would not make sense for us at all to produce them because we are specialized on lighting, and in our opinion it makes sense to have a smart home and not a smart lighting.
So I understand you're on your way to certification. What is the value of certification to your product range?
To make sure that everything is really working together, I think certification is at least necessary. And of course we are doing tests, interoperability tests with different manufacturers by ourselves before, but certification is one step closer to make everything interoperable.
So Zigbee is an open standard. Does that benefit you and your customers at all?
Yes, we are trying with our external companies to move everything in this direction like we want. So we're working close together with Ubisys. So maybe this is also a well-known brand for Zigbee products and doing their own stack and stuff like this. So it's always good for us.
So many companies from around the world are active in the Zigbee Alliance. How does that help you operate in a global marketplace?
We are a global company and have like sales teams all over the world, and that makes sense that we are using a global standard and not a local one.
So interoperability based on the Zigbee open standard, does that help you at all working with partner companies?
I mean, the market demands Zigbee products and we are part of this ecosystem, like part of Zigbee. Yes.
So you have a residential portfolio both for indoor as well as outdoor.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yes, we are more or less specialized in outdoor luminaires, professional side, but we have a portfolio which is called House and Garden. And this is also interesting for private houses, private gardens, and we have a special product line which is called BEGA Plug and Play. It's a very easy to install system. So it's set it up in like 2 minutes and you can do it via an app. And of course we have indoor luminaires as well, and everything is connected with each other by Zigbee.
Can you show the new switch to me?
Of course. This is our brand new Zigbee remote control with an e-ink display where you can walk through the menu, and 2 favorite buttons and a touch wheel. These 2 favorite buttons can be configured via our own app, and of course it's Zigbee 3.0 compliant, and you can use it with other systems of course as well.